Family is a bond built on love, trust, and understanding. But often, external influences can creep in and create friction within this sacred circle. In this video, we explore how neighbors and others can instigate family disputes and how to overcome these challenges. Sometimes it starts innocently enough. A neighbor might drop a comment like, "Why does your sibling get more attention?" Or, "Have you noticed how they always rely on you?" These remarks can plant seeds of doubt and resentment. Other times, societal pressures or comparisons can escalate tensions. Hearing, "Your cousin just bought a new car. What are you doing with your life?" can lead to feelings of inadequacy or competition within the family.
Like what? I mean, why would I want to say something so I could watch you sneer at me?
Sneer at you? I don't ever sneer at you.
Oh, sweetie, you don't have to. You get your point across.
Okay, so fine, then say what you want to say then.
Peter.
I don't want to say anything. I've tried saying
Okay, so
things.
try again, release yourself.
Oh, release you mean?
Yeah, fine, release me, just say it. Just
Don't you swear at me, you little Don't you ever raise your voice at me. I am your mother.
When such comments go unchecked, they can lead to misunderstandings, jealousy, and even full-blown arguments. Family bonds weaken, and the sense of unity starts to crumble. In worst cases, relationships can become strained, with members distancing themselves emotionally or physically. But it doesn't have to be this way. Let's look at some solutions to counteract these negative influences. Encourage open dialogue within the family. If a comment or concern arises, discuss it calmly instead of letting it fester. Focus on your family's unique dynamics. Don't let societal comparisons or gossip dictate your priorities. Celebrate each member's individuality and progress. It's okay to set boundaries. Politely but firmly redirect conversations that aim to create division. Let people know you value your family's harmony. Understand each other's perspectives. Many conflicts arise from misunderstandings. Practicing empathy can help bridge those gaps. Remember, families are strongest when they stand united against external negativity. By fostering love, trust, and open communication, you can create a shield that no outside force can break. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more insights on building stronger relationships.